Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sun Village local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure that your long-distance move occurs in a timely manner, with no worry. Whether you're moving just one state over or you want to move across the nation, we're here to help you. With us, you get all of the right moving services to make relocating a lot simpler. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers a lot of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the cost may seem to be challenging. A local moving company supplies many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you get can easily make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Movers can also make sure you don't have to stress over injury since you won't need to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of qualified movers will certainly ensure your move is extremely efficient. You do not have to worry about spending several days handling your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Moving locally may be very fast, and our team can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sun Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.